Good morning, student. Today we will see examples on decimal fraction. I am Vivek here with you again. My favorite subject and very simple subject. It's math. First practice set 15, standard 6th subject math. First question is that fill the empty box. Look at this. This is example 1. This is example 2. In this practice set there are three types of example. This is first type, this is second type, and this is third type. This is very simple. When you listen carefully or see video carefully, you will understand it. Here is one fraction 3 by 5. These three fractions are equal. So here is giving 3 empty box here, and here is 1 empty box. So we have to put right number in this empty box. Here is, look at this. This is 3 by 5, means 3 is numerator and 5 is denominator. Here is also the same example is here, or same value of fraction is here and here also. So here is 10 finally. So here is one number divided multiplied by denominator and as well as numerator is the same. There is no difference in fraction. So when here is term, which number comes here? We know 5 into 2 is equal to 10 again. And when the denominator is multiplied by 2, then numerator is also multiplied by 2. So 3 by 5 in 3 by 5, the fraction 3 by 5 multiplied by 2, numerator also and denominator also. So here is 10 and here is 3 into 2 is 6 again. Here is the right answer for these boxes. Here is one type 25 by 8. 25 by 8. Denominator is multiplied by 1000. So naturally numerator is multiplied by also 1000. Here is the right number in that box. Here the second type of example. Convert the common fraction in decimal fraction. Here is common fraction. We convert into decimal fraction. Means the number that contain points. So first of all, when the common fraction convert into decimal fraction, there is a denominator comes in the multiple of 10 or 100 or 1000. So here how this denominator convert into multiple of 10. So here is a table or is must here. So we convert the denominator into a multiple of 10. So here is multiplied by 25. So here is again multiplied by 25. So it comes towards denominator in the terms of multiple of 10. So denominator is 100 and numerator is 75 again. So here is 20. So the point is comes two numbers into left side from the right side. So here is this right answer, and thus in this way 3 by 4 common fraction convert into decimal fraction in this way. In the same way and same procedure follow here. Here also we can convert denominator into multiple of 10. So here denominator is multiplied by 4 again and numerator is multiplied by 4. There is no difference in value of common fraction. So denominator is 100 again and numerator is 28. Again here is 20. So these two number before one point is present. So final this is the answer. Here again 7 by 5 7 by 25 is converted into decimal fraction 0.28. This is the second type of example on decimal fraction. आता there is last type of example of decimal fraction is here. Here is given to one problem is given to you 27.5. So this decimal fraction convert into common fraction again. Common fraction means rooted fraction. There is in common fraction there is denominator and also numerator. So here is a point. After the point there is one number. So we can remove this point by this, and the point is present after one number. So here is denominator is 10. So this is the decimal factor convert into common factor. We take second example like this 3.21. Here is again 2 numbers after decimal. So we remove the point and take total number of this, and again in number of 2 numbers we take 100 here. Again we converted decimal factor into common factor. In this way I hope I clear all these type of examples on this video. If you understood this, solve this type of example in your textbook. Thank you. Love to all. Thanks.